Our 18-foot growing dome features all of the same standard components as well as upgrades as the 15-foot growing dome does. It just gives you a little bit extra growing space with that extra 3 feet in diameter, as well as a little bit of extra vertical height. The 18-foot growing dome features automated ventilation in the form of 3 venting panels, 2 on the bottom and 1 on the top, as well as a hybrid intake fan for additional active ventilation. We also have the snow shed doorway, a solar water feature, and a solar undersoil fan system, which can be upgraded to electric if you desire. As far as optional upgrades go, you can add an additional vent, which can go in the top. You can also add additional intake fans, either hybrid or electric. You can also upgrade those components to solar, as I mentioned. And we can also add a misting system, which is great for those that live in arid climates to help lower the temperatures in the summertime. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's head on inside and see what we've got growing in here. As you can see, we have plenty of growing space in this smaller greenhouse. We have 18 feet in diameter, which gives us about 255 square feet of floor space to work with. And the center point is about 10 feet 8 inches high, which allows us to utilize this trellis, which our tomatoes will end up vining over. It's also great for peas and beans and cucumbers and lots of other things. This dome also comes with all of our standard 7 features, which is the dome shape itself, the premium 5-wall polycarbonate, the automated ventilation systems, thermal mass in the form of this above-ground pond, reflective insulation on the north wall, an undersoil ventilation system, as well as an all-weather wood insulated foundation wall. Our hybrid solar fan comes with its own solar panel and will operate when the sun is shining until it drops below about 14 volts. At that point, the fan will shut off and you have the opportunity to plug it into electricity. It also comes with its own thermostat. This is our electric fan. As you can see, it's a bit more powerful than the hybrid fan is. And this is a great option for those that live in a really hot climate and need that extra CFM for airflow. It's a good idea to grow things in front of this fan that benefit from extra air movement. So you could do things like squash, like we have here. Cucumbers are another good option. Tomatoes do great. Or you can opt for root crops, as we've done here. I've got some carrots that are just about ready.